In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change company logo on QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get your brand showing up on your invoices, estimates, and other sales forms. Before we jump in, a quick tip. Have your logo file ready on your computer. A clear, high-resolution PNG or JPG works best. A square or nearly square image tends to fit nicely, and if you have a version with a transparent background, even better. Keeping a little padding around the edges will help it look clean on your documents. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online. Look to the top right corner of your screen for the small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click that gear to open your options. From there, choose Account and Settings. This is where you manage core details about your company and how it appears in QuickBooks. Inside Account and Settings, make sure you're on the Company tab. This section controls your company identity, including the logo that appears on forms and in some parts of your dashboard. On the right, you'll see your current logo, or a default placeholder if you haven't added one yet. Click directly on that logo area to open the Upload window. Now you have two easy choices. If you prefer browsing, click Upload and select your logo file from your computer. If it's more convenient, simply drag the file from your desktop and drop it onto the Upload area. QuickBooks will begin processing the image right away. Give it a moment to load. Once the preview appears, your new logo is ready to represent your business. That's all there is to it. Your updated logo will flow through to your invoices, estimates, and other sales documents automatically. If you're working on a form and don't see the change immediately, refresh the page or open a new form to view the update. Keep in mind that some templates and custom form styles may display logos differently, so a square image usually provides the most consistent result. A couple more tips before we wrap up. If you ever need to switch logos for a seasonal version or a brand refresh, come back to the same place and upload a new file the same way. If you're part of a team, make sure your user role has permission to access Account and Settings so you can reach the Company tab without any roadblocks. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your company logo in QuickBooks Online quickly and confidently.